Hey, what if I told you there are side hustles out there that could make you hundreds, even thousands of dollars, whether you're 13 or 19? Forget waiting until college to start earning. These are 15 side hustles that can get you started on some real cash right now, no matter your age. We'll kick it off with easy ones paying up to $20 an hour and finish with a side hustle that, if you play it right, could make you crazy money. So, let's dive right in. 1. Selling custom t-shirts in school. Starting strong with a super underrated custom t-shirts for classmates. Using sites like Teespring, you can design shirts with any graphic your friends want, like their favorite meme, a hobby, or even just a funny inside joke. You take their money, create the design on Teespring and deliver it when it's ready. Charge $30 to $40 for each, and you're looking at a $20 profit per shirt. This is exactly how I made my first $2,000 back in the day. 2. AI homework help. If you've got friends who just can't get their homework done, here's a tip. ChatGPT. You offer to help, feed the questions into ChatGPT, and get the answers back to them, without breaking a sweat. I know students who've earned hundreds doing this. Find a few regulars, charge $5 a night, and that's $75 a week just from helping out your classmates. 3. Growing on social media. This one's huge if you want long-term success. Starting a social media account and building a following can open crazy doors. Ever heard of Speed? He's only 17 and pulls in millions from his house. Post consistently, be yourself, and you'll see the numbers climb. And when they do, brand deals and ad revenue follow. I also put together a guide on building a following fast, but start today with your favorite platform and watch the results. Reselling in school. If you're still in school, reselling popular items is a goldmine. Candy, customized water bottles, morning Starbucks deliveries. If there's demand, you can supply. Find what your classmates crave, set a price, and you'll start making money. My friend made over $100 in a week selling snacks alone, so trust me, this works. Refereeing or coaching youth sports. Are you athletic or know the rules of a sport really well? Look into becoming a referee or even an assistant coach for younger kids' teams. Refereeing pays $30 to $50 per game, and if you stick with it, the earnings add up fast. Coaching can earn you anywhere from $500 to $1,500 for a season. Awesome pay for just a few hours a week. App rewards. Believe it or not, some investing apps give cash or stock just for signing up. It's free money. I've linked a few top ones that give big rewards, and all you need to do is sign up, deposit a few dollars, and you could be looking at hundreds. Some of my followers have even snagged $500 or more this way. Pet sitting. Looking for something relaxing? Pet sitting could be your dream gig. Pet owners will pay $15 to $30 an hour for you to play with their pets or make sure they're well taken care of. It doesn't even feel like work because, let's face it, who doesn't love playing with a cute dog or cat? Sign up on Rover or let your neighbors know you're available. Dog walking. Along the same lines, dog walking is perfect if you want an active job that pays well. The rates are similar to pet sitting, but if you get a few regular clients, you're looking at a nice income that also keeps you fit. Just make sure to keep the dog safe and happy, and you might even get tipped extra. Traditional jobs. Okay, it's not a side hustle, but getting a regular job does have its benefits. Plus, some places are paying better than ever. Walmart offers $20 per hour, and even Starbucks pays $17. These jobs can also help build credit and set up your bank account, which is a great head start on adult life. Landscaping. Need a side hustle with serious profit potential? Mowing lawns, shoveling snow, or doing yard work is super lucrative. With just one client, you can make $40 to $70 for an hour's work. Keep a few regular clients, and you're on track for a solid income all season long. Survey apps. Now, survey apps aren't the fastest earners, but if you're just looking to kill time, they do pay a few bucks here and there. You could make up to $15 an hour with certain apps, but compared to some of the other hustles, it's a bit slow. Still, a decent option if you're scrolling on your phone anyway. Hanging flyers. This is an old school side hustle, but it pays surprisingly well, $20 to $50 an hour. All you need to do is pop in your earbuds, hit a neighborhood, and hang up flyers for local businesses. Be prepared to dodge the occasional angry Karen, though. Dropshipping. This one can be a real game changer. With dropshipping, you create an online store, sell products at a marked up price, and have them shipped directly from the supplier to the customer. If you want to learn the ropes, check out my dropshipping guide. It's packed with tips that helped my students go from zero to earning up to $400 per day. Tutoring. If you're good at any school subject, use that to your advantage. Tutoring classmates or younger students can pay $15 to $30 an hour, depending on the subject and level. You don't need to be a genius, just willing to help explain concepts and make things easier for those who might be struggling. YouTube or content creation. For the big finale, this one's the ultimate side hustle with endless potential. YouTube or TikTok can bring in serious money if you're consistent, unique, and engaged with your audience. Start making videos about anything you love, stay consistent, and build your fan base. Your passion can turn into a profit machine. Alright, there you have it. 15 ways you can start making real money today. You don't need to wait for your first job to start stacking cash. Pick one that sounds fun, get out there, and get started. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment with any other side hustle ideas you'd like me to cover. Good luck and happy hustling!